Hi, I'm Liz Grose, a school psychologist and senior assessment consultant at Pearson Clinical Assessments. The WAIS is the most widely used measure of cognitive abilities in adults and has been in use for over 60 years. But don't let its legacy fool you. This test has been regularly updated to stay in step with cutting-edge clinical research. This new edition has 5 new subtests and a whopping 15 ancillary index scales, and of course, new norms reflective of today's population. I'm also happy to report that the WAIS-5 has a faster administration time, meaning a full-scale IQ can be obtained in about 45 minutes. And so, whether you're new or already familiar with WAIS, I have some exciting updates to share as we unbox the newest edition of this test. As you can see, the kit comes in a Weschler branded box with a brand new look and feel for the WAIS-5. Then as we open the box, we have, let's count them, 1, 2, 3 stimulus books, as well as a crackback administration and scoring manual. Here is where you're going to notice new start points for those suspected of intellectual giftedness to help cut down on administration time. Then we have this beefy technical and interpretive manual that outlines the development as well as supports an interpretation of all the new scores and features of this test. So here's where you can read about expanded construct coverage for working memory, fluid reasoning, and processing speed. This is also where you can read about the new index scores, particularly those for examinees with expressive language or motor difficulties. Next up, we have a pack of 25 record forms to help get you started, as well as a pack of 25 response booklets. Here I want to call out that the WAIS-4 required 2 response booklets, but on the WAIS-5, there's only 1. So that's a really welcome change. Then we have a luggage tag. So you can get a kit with a soft case, or you could use this luggage tag on a bag of your choice, help keep you organized. And of course, a pencil without an eraser. Then we have a scoring keys for simple search, as well as the scoring template for coding, and the transparent scoring template for running digits. Next up, manipulatives. Okay, so we have a set of 9 blocks. You see these blocks? They are all alike. On some sides they're all red, on some sides they're all white. I'm just kidding. If you are familiar with these blocks, you know them well. And then we have the Spatial Edition set. So these are chips. They go with the brand new Spatial Edition subtest. Come in this nice clear bag for storage, as well as the scoring grid. It's 2-sided, so you have that in there as well. All right, and that is the amazing WAIS with new norms, faster administration time, and lots of scores to aid in interpretive clarity. So if you are ready to get updated or learn more, please click the link to our product page down below.